Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to do these things ensures you get the most accurate location data possible, enhancing your overall experience with location-based services and apps. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can go to the settings menu. Well, and then here you can scroll down. So, select location option. Okay, after that, here you can click location services and then click on Google location accuracy. Well, so here you can activate this feature by tapping this button. Okay, then the location on your device is successfully improved. Well, that's the tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.